Hello friends, today is the 5th June and world is celebrating the World Environment Day today. The theme of this year is ecosystem restoration. Last year the theme for the World Environment Day was theme for time for nature, and before that in 2019 the theme was beat air pollution, and prior to that the theme was beat plastic pollution. So every year World Environment Day is celebrated since 1974. It was first time when in 1972 at Stockholm at World Environment Forum, the thing was decided that awareness should be spread among the people, and so that we can conserve, we can protect our nature. That's why, and specifically if we see this year 2021 and the way 2020 went with the pandemic COVID, it was we have seen that how much oxygen is important in our life. So nature is giving us call, and it's a nature call that we, so the man should not think itself that it has gone beyond the reach of nature. So nature will do it right by its way, and man will have to understand we have to conserve our planet, we have to safeguard our environment, not by just saying over social media. We just have the habit to place some photograph of sand artist Sundar a day or 2 day, like save nature, save environment. But what we actually do to protect our environment? See how beautiful it is. Most of the people used to sit inside the AC cabin. But let me show you the area behind me. Do you need any kind of artificial appliances? No light, okay, no light, no air condition can give you that the soothing feeling which I am getting in this environment, in the lap of our green nature. So we have to understand it. Corona has given a very strong message to all of us that we have to protect the nature. Only the nature can protect us. The theme of ecosystem restoration. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is a place where all the living beings, all the creatures, which include the air, soil, living things, they stay together. But what in the past few years, since the inception, since we'll say that the man has grown so strong that it has created a big dam, and it's creating big machines. You know, when the nature play its game, these machines fall short. Every year we see that some flood, some cyclone are coming so fast. See, cyclone Taukte come in almost in this month, and then soon after the cyclone Taukte, cyclone Yas. Yes. What is happening around us? We have to understand. It's not a just a topic of just to say or to present our views, but what I feel is this is really important. We should teach our children, the young generation should understand about it, the importance of plantation. If you plant a tree, instead of giving fancy birthday gift, teach your children to plant a tree. Whenever any function happens, now almost all the functions have been restricted. Even the marriage functions are not are not so much planted like as it was earlier. So things will go. You can do all these small things to add the beauty in your environment. The topic of nature can be, it is discussed every time people discuss about it. Okay, but they forget when the day will end, there will be a new topic, there will be a new trend, people will just forget. Okay, now I am seeing a peacock is just coming behind me. You like to see it. You can see, yes, this is the peacock just coming. This is the nature. This is the nature. Look how beautiful it looks. Huh? You don't need to do any big things. You just have to make sure that all creatures have the right to live in an environment. Okay. So it's time to go. I think the video is quite lengthy. Okay, bye. And make sure you do something to add the beauty in your environment and planet. Alright.